Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you your complete guide to minimalistic skincare and makeup. This is a minimalist guide for those that love skincare and makeup. So let's make a start. Before I jump in, let me state that every single product you see here is not sponsored and I have purchased myself. So let's start with skincare. We're going to start with cleanser. Now I'm going to pick two cleansers, one for the night, one for the morning. For the night, I like to use a balm cleanser. So I'm going to be using Eve Lom. Now this is my personal favorite one. I've used this for over 20 years now. It takes everything off, everything. It doesn't irritate the skin and it leaves it baby soft, which is why I love it. When it comes to liquid cleansers, which I tend to use in the morning, I'm really liking this one at the moment, which is by Emma Lewisham. It smells absolutely heavenly. It makes your skin feel clean without being tight. It's just great. Next, it comes to treatment. Now, I like to use just one single product to treat my skin. So I use Clearer. This is a prescription strength tretinoid product. It comes in various strengths and sizes to suit your skin. I have not experienced a single ounce of irritation since using this, and I am now on 0.05%. Now, when it comes to moisturizing the skin, I use two things, a moisturizer and an oil. Now, this is the bottles that I'm currently using. Now, this is from a company called You Look Well, but the actual product inside is not this. I just dump in my standard moisturizer and standard oils because I really like the bottle. They're beautiful. Any moisturizer or oil will do. I like to use both because I am using a prescription strength product and I like to keep things simple and hydrate my skin. When it comes to the daytime, I'm going to pick a hybrid product. So I'm picking this one from Eve Lom. Now this is the Daily Protection SPF 50. Despite having a high SPF, it doesn't leave any white marks on the skin. It absorbs really quickly and it allows for perfect glide of your makeup. So let's move on to makeup. First, foundation. Now you can pick whichever you like. Don't let my choices here influence what you like. So I'm going to be using this one by Merit, which is the Minimalist Stick, which is a stick foundation. It's a cream. I prefer creams. It glides on, it has a light to medium coverage, but I tend to use it very sheerly. It's beautiful and it lasts a very long time. When it comes to concealer, I'm very sparse with how I use concealer, but I'm going to pick this one from Jones Road. I really like it. It's a pencil format, which means it glides on nice and easy. I like to use it for the inner corners of the eyes to brighten them up, but you can use it for highlighting. It is such a versatile product. I just wish it was a bit bigger. When it comes to bronzing, this is one of my favorite, which is by Westman Atelier. Not only is the packaging perfect, the color is great. They blend out really well. They go on quite heavy, but they actually turn really sheer. I think there's 3 or 4 colors available, really pretty. When it comes to contouring, this is entirely optional, but if you like, I like to use the Victoria Beckham Stilo. I think this contouring stick is great because it's small, compact, and you're able to get a more precise application of where you apply it. For highlighters, we're back to Westman Atelier. This one is in Nectar. It is so pretty, doesn't contain any sparkle or anything metallic, just a lot of shine and emollients. It looks so good on the skin. It is pretty undetectable when you blend it. It just radiates light. Now, of course, my favorite product of all time, which is blusher. Now, I'm picking this cream blusher by Merit. This is in the shade Rouge. It looks really bright, but it's a universal red color that suits everyone, and it shears out really nicely, so you're not getting that bang of intensity that you see in the actual product. It just blends to this soft, beautiful glow. Let's move on to eyebrows. 2 products here. One by Merit, which is a brow gel, and one by Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a brow pen. I like the gel because it isn't as pigmented as others, which for me is a big thing. I think brows can become overdone. And also the pen helps you to fill in the sparse areas and also works to create faux freckles or beauty marks on the face. So let's talk eyeshadow. Now there's so many palettes out there, you can pick and choose, but sometimes we have so many eyeshadows we actually don't know what to do. I'm gonna pick these 3. These are just pencils and these are from Charlotte Tilbury. They're the Color Chameleons. I really like using the pencils. I think they make eyeshadow much more simplistic because they remind you to apply it to the lid and not try and be too dramatic. I picked 3 colors here. They're just my favorites, whatever works for you, but it's simple, it's simplistic, And you can do a lot with 3 shades. When it comes to mascara, this one by West Minutilia is outrageously expensive, but I picked it because the packaging is one of the best I've ever seen and felt. It feels amazing. It will cost you about a month's rent, but it is so, so good. Let's move on to lips. Now I picked these 2 hybrid products from Laura Mercier. They're really, really nice. They also double up as a cheek balm as well. They're not super pigmented or overly saturated, but they make the lips feel nice, and that's the main thing. And finally, gloss, which is one of my favorite things. I've actually picked my own gloss. Now this gloss has been discontinued, as many of you know. My makeup line is being revamped, but this reminds me of why I love this gloss. It's super pretty, super shiny, and gloss makes your lips appear more pouty. Just remember to keep it to the middle portion of the lip. Otherwise, if you bring it too far out, it can look like you're drooling. And that is the Minimalist Guide. That's it. This is all you need. I don't use anything else that you haven't seen here, particularly for skincare. I literally use a prescription strength product, a moisturizer and an oil. It really doesn't matter which one, by the way. That's pretty much it. Sunscreen in the day and something on my skin to make it look a bit more beautiful. It doesn't have to be complicated. With just these few products here, you can get amazing results. And that's your minimalistic guide to skin and makeup. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.